Fáilte bréagach go fáil míle Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1, Topic a Hocht, Cúrsaí Oibre. Level A1, Topic 8, Work Matters. Level A1, Topic a Hocht, Rannóg Fíor nó bréagach, ag díriú Éisteacht a bheith ag Éisteacht. So, Section 2, True or False, focusing on listening. Rannóg Fíor nó bréagach le múnú, Ceistechar rinne céinabar a dhéanann sé agus an ceist sin a bhreagairt. So asking someone what work they do and answering this question. Beag an bhuileog, Fíor nó bréagach uait an gníomhaíocht seo, you'll need the handout True or False for this activity. Handouts are available on the website and it's linked in the description box below. Fíor nó bréagach, True or False. Éist leis na daoine sa bhír a chur síos na poist atá acu féin agus an Gaeilge. So listen to the people in the sound clip describing the jobs they and their relatives have. Deir gach cainteoir há rátas. So each speaker will make two statements. Cur tic le ceann na boscaí, Fíor nó bréagach I gás gach rátas. So put a check beside one of the boxes, true or false, for each of the statements. Closigh tú an bhír gá uair. So you'll hear the sound clip twice. Fíor nó bréagach, true or false. Léhamid tríd dús. We'll read through it first. So Ibrahim, is Tamani taxi a pole? Tamani taxi, taxi driver. Is Rooney a van chéile? Van chéile is wife. Iverdó is Garda Siobhan. Is Múnteoir a Brian. Iver is Mecnor a Dermot. Is Frastally a Simon. Iver Cahar is Altra a Ciarán. Is Bonaltra I Aoife. Iver Cuig is Múnteoir I Lillian. Is Iascra a Pat. Iver sé is Togálaí a Boris. Is Dochtúr I Olga.
Fíor nó bréagach. A héan.
Is me se Paul, is Tomani bus mé, tá ma van chéile I gobar marúni.
A dó.
Siobhan is animdom. Is Múnteoir me. Is Garda mar chéile Brian.
A trí.
Hi, is me se Dermot. Is Mecnor me. Agus is Mecnor a me grahar Simon frishin.
A cair.
Díogad, me se Ciaran. Is altra me, agus is banatí I Aoife ma van chéile.
A cúig.
Hi, Lillian is animdom. Is Cúntóir siopa me. Tá me pósta le Pat. Is Iascra é.
A sé.
Misha Baras. Is Togálaí me. Agus is Frastally I mi rifur Alga.
Fíor nó bréagach. A héan.
Is me se Paul, is Tomani bus mé, tá ma van chéile I gobar marúni.
A dó.
Siobhan is animdom. Is Múnteoir me. Is Garda mar chéile Brian.
A trí.
Hi, is me se Dermot. Is Mecnor me. Agus is Mecnor a me grahar Simon frishin.
A cair.
Díogad, me se Ciaran. Is altra me, agus is banatí I Aoife ma van chéile.
A cúig.
Hi, Lillian is animdom. is cúntóir siopa mé. Tá mé pósta le pat, is iascaire é.
A sé.
Mise baras. Is tógálaí mé, agus is freastalí í mi rifúr alga.
Fíor nó bréagach. Rockamí tríd an script, and we'll go through the script. Is Misha Pole, is Tamani Busne. Toma van Héle ag obair Marúni. Siobhan is anam dom. Is Múnteoir mé. Is Garda é mar Chéle Brian. No Brian. Hi is Misha Diarmuid. Is Mecnor mé agus is Mecnor é mar chahar Simon Freshen. Iver a cahar. Dirit, Misha Kieran. Is altra mé agus is ban atí í Ife ma van Héle. Iver a cuig. Hi, Lillian is anam dom. Is cúntóir siopa mé. Tá mé pósta le pat. Is iascaire é. Iver a sé, Misha Boris. Is tógálaí mé agus is freastalí í mo rifúr Olga. Agus níos na freagraí. Iver a hen, is Tamani taxi é Pó, is Rooney í a van Héle, bhí sé bréagach. Tá sé sin Fíor. Iver a dó, is Garda í Siobhan, tá sé sin bréagach. Is Múnteoir é Brian, tá sé sin bréagach. Iver a trí, is Mecnor é Diarmuid, tá sé sin Fíor. Is freastalí é Simon, Níl, tá sé sin bréagach. Iver a cahar, is altra é Kieran, tá sé sin Fíor. Is banaltra í Ife, tá sé sin bréagach. Iver a cuig, is Múnteoir í Lillian, tá sé sin bréagach. Is iascaire é Pat, tá sé sin Fíor. Iver a sé, is tógálaí é Boris, tá sé sin Fíor. Agus is dochtúir í Olga, tá sé sin bréagach. Anois, éis de rís leis an script, agus an sin lé amach os ordae. And now listen once again along with the script and then read it out loud.
Fíor nó bréagach. A héan.
Is Misha Paul, is Tamani bus mé, tá ma van Héle ag obair Marúni.
A dó.
Siobhan is anam dom. Is Múnteoir mé. Is Garda é mar Chéle Brian.
A trí.
Hi is Misha Diarmuid. Is Mecnor mé, agus is Mecnor é mi grahar Simon Freshen.
A ceair.
Diarmuid, Misha Kieran. Is altra mé agus is banatí í Ife ma van Héle.
A cúig.
Hi, Lillian is anam dom. Is cúntóir siopa mé. Tá mé pósta le pat, is iascaire é.
A sé.
Mise baras. Is tógálaí mé, agus is freastalí í mi rifúr alga.
Agus anois, chance dit é a lé amach os ord. And now a chance for you to read it out loud. Iver a hen, iver a dó, iver a trí, iver a cahar, iver a cuig, Oibre sé. Craig do cheann féin. Create your own. Hi, it's Misha Sheila. It's Moontour me. It's the Rooney A. Magrahar Sean. So now it's a chance for you to create your own for yourself and inis craig do cheann féin agus ceann eile faoi chara nó ball éigean do chláin. And now create one for yourself or for a friend or another member of your family. Be gan bhuileog Fíor nó bréagach fáil uait an gníomhaíocht seo, so you'll need the handout Fíor nó bréagach fáil for this activity. Fáil, get. The verb fáil is to get. So this is a group activity, so if you don't have a group of people you're working with or you're not in a class, you can just make up examples yourself. Té timpeall an ranga agus leabhar le cúigear fálamóirí eile. So go round the class and talk with 5 other learners. Caithfidh tú anam an duine, a phost agus post an duine eile a luan sé a scríobh Éisteacht sa chraile. So you have to put the name of the person, their job, and the job of the other person that they mention on the grid. Tá sampla amháin déanta. So one example is done. Cadiad na ceistena a bheith uait. So what are the questions you will need? So think back to the questions that we did at the beginning. Cad is anam dit? What's your name? No cén tanam atá ort. Cén post atá agat? Cén post atá agat? What job do you have? Or cén obair a dhéanam tú? Cén obair a dhéanam tú? So walk around, ask the questions, and fill in the answers. And you can make up the information. It doesn't have to be real. Ba cheartaíomh ólas faoi duine eile a thabhairt nuair a chuirtear an cheist cén post atá agat. So you should give some information about another person. When they ask you what job do you have, then tell about another person as well. Mar hampla, is altra me, agus is doctor I mhuafúr Anya. So I'm a nurse and my sister Anya is a doctor. So ólas eile faoi dhuine eile a thabhairt nuair a chuirtear an ceist. So give them more information than the basics. Agus sin deara le Rannóg Fíor nó bréagach, chur ceiste dhuine cén obair a dhéanann sé agus an ceist sin a bhreagairt. That's the end of section 2, true or false, asking and answering what work people do. Tá na nótaí agus buíochas Oibre le fáil in éisteacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na cuisle, suíomh lúscartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacinta.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas do Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanna bhas. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.